Did you know which possible signs and symptoms of testicular cancer should be reported to a physician? Testicular cancer, also known as teratoma, is one of the common types of cancer in men, and ignoring signs can be dangerous as the condition can be treated easily. The testicular is a small organ in men stated in the scrotum, usually process sperms and hormones in men called estrogen and testosterone. However, testicular cancer has increased in young men daily due to genital disorders and environmental issues. If you notice a tumor or malignant inside the testicles, it may be a warning sign of cancer. Testicular cancer is known to be easily treated as they grow slowly. What causes testicular cancer? Testicular cancer mainly triggers males between the ages of 15 to 39. The experts are not sure about the specific cause of this cancer. Still, they informed that healthy cells grow abnormally and divide new cells when there is no need to cause a tumor. Genital disorders or environmental factors can also be responsible for the condition. Signs and symptoms of testicular cancer. Major signs and symptoms of advanced testicular cancer that you mustn't ignore or take lightly, so let's check them closely. 1. Changed shape of testicles. The size of the testicles may be different and not a big concern, but excess in large size can be a sign of testicular cancer. You may also notice bloating around the tissues. Moreover, other factors present for swelling, pain, and irritation, but you must visit the doctor to diagnose the problem. 2. Heaviness around the scrotum. The tumor growth in the testicles is painless, though scrotum heaviness is the prior sign of cancer. A number of men with testicular cancer reported they feel heaviness in the surrounding area. And it happens due to the lump creating pressure on the linked tissues that makes one feel a dragging perception. American Cancer Association announced in a report that heaviness or dragging feelings mustn't be ignored and immediate action is required. 3. Swelling. While performing a self-examination, one may feel swelling around the scrotum. As the tumor develops, you may notice swelling. It can occur even if you haven't enlarged the size of your testicles. Sometimes a person may have hormonal changes during testicular cancer, leading to enlarged testicles and changing color. 4. Unusual breast changes. Signs and symptoms of testicular cancer may include unusual breast changes. It sounds a little weird, but testicular cancer can give you changes in the breasts. You may notice increased breast size, tenderness and heaviness in breasts, and discharge. 5. Constant body pain. There are many reasons for body and muscle pain, and while suffering from testicular cancer, constant body pain and discomfort are considered rapid signs. 6. Pain and swelling in lymph nodes. If you feel pain and swelling in the lymph nodes of the throat and neck, it could also be a common sign of cancer. However, infection is also a cause behind that. 7. Fever and fatigue. When your body constantly fights with this trespasser, it can weaken you and have a fever. You can have mental and physical fatigue and lack of appetite as well. If you notice fever and fatigue without any other reason, you should make an appointment with a doc. 8. Sudden weight loss. Sudden weight loss is never good news, especially for those who don't need this. Any cancer makes your body weak by using much body energy to cut body weight, and testicular cancer is not an exception. 9. Abdominal pain. Spreading cancer in the body via lymphatic nodes causes the lower abdomen. If you notice constant pain in the lower belly, it can indicate there is something wrong with your testis. 10. Changed skin color. If you see any skin pigmentation or scaling, this is also reporting cancer in the body, and only an expert can diagnose this well. 11. Neurological signs. If you feel changes in your behavior and personality, sleeping disturbance, or headaches, then you never ignore all these signs that your body is shouting for help.